I am DT Divya Kotwani, founder of Health Culture with Divya. I am here to let you know about a 40 kgs transformation in just 6 months, and it is of Manan Panjwani. So let us know the journey about his transformation. So here we have Manan Panjwani with us, who has lost 40 kgs. Let us know what he has to say. Hi Manan.
Hi.
So let us start. My सबसे पहला question to you is motivation कहाँ से मिला journey चालू करने से पहले?
Okay, so for the first month of my ride, I wasn't motivated that much. मतलब, I started because of the comments which I was getting from people. Like, I used to meet people after a long time and they used to say कि यार इतना time हो गया, बहुत weight बढ़ा लिया है and all that. And there were some minor things, like I went on a trip before I started my diet, and I wasn't able to do a few activities there. So with that mindset, let's try once. I wasn't motivated for the first month. The main motivation I got was from the results of my first month. I lost 8 kgs in my first month, and that is what motivated me. And after that, I was like, now let's go all in and try what can we do.
तो फर्स्ट मंथ में सीरियस तो बिल्कुल नहीं थे?
बिल्कुल नहीं. मेरे को ऐसी कोई वो नहीं था कि मैं बहुत ओवरवेट हूँ या मेरे को कोई बहुत बुरा नहीं लगता था. आई वाज हैप्पी.
You were happy with
your weight. I didn't feel कि मेरे को यार बहुत कम करना है या कुछ भी. मतलब आई नीडेड टू लूज वेट, बट हाँ मेरे को वो नहीं था कि मेरे को अंदर से वो नहीं आता था कि यार अब डाइट करेंगे, लेट्स डू इट एंड ऑल दैट. बट विद द रिजल्ट्स आई गॉट मोटिवेशन.
So 1 month में 8 kgs lose कैसे किया?
सो फर्स्ट मंथ में तो मैं मोटिवेटेड था नहीं बिल्कुल भी. आई डिडंट हैड एनी लाइक मोटिवेशन. मेरे को और ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा वो भी नहीं था कि आई हैड टू डू दिस, आई हैड टू लूज सो मच वेट. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग बिकॉज दैट वाज, मतलब सब बहुत टोका टोकी बहुत हो गई. सो आई वाज डूइंग दैट, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ Health Culture with Divya's diet, I only did that in that month, and nothing else. I used to do like 5,000 steps, which came in naturally, but with the help of the diet I got from you guys, I only did that in my first month.
So मुझे बताओ second month कैसा था?
Okay, so from the start of second month, I was heavily motivated, I would say. मेरे को first month के results बहुत अच्छे मिले थे, so I was heavily motivated. And with the help of you and H3 team, I started to analyze my body. I started to see what all things worked on my body and what all things suited me the best for my weight loss. And by second month, I got a tool which literally helped me a lot through this whole transformation. That was detox. I found out about detox and how they work and what they do in my body, and that was literally the best thing in this diet.
Did you find any problem doing any detox?
So initially some, but not much.
मतलब डिटॉक्स अच्छे से कर लिया ना? इतना हेवियर डिटॉक्स तो नहीं लगा कि हमने सब खाना पीना बंद कर दिया?
नहीं, खाते पीते ही कम करा.
खाते पीते ही कम किया ना? सो अब 3 months हो चुके थे. अब 3 months के बाद मोटिवेशन आपको कैसे मिला? इंसान अब 3 months तक थक जाता है. 3 months के बाद आपने इतना लॉन्ग जर्नी कैसे कंटिन्यू किया?
Okay, so by the third month I had lost 20 kgs. मैंने 20 kgs लूज कर चुका था, but I was still in triple digits. मेरा सबसे पहला गोल तो यही था कि I had to go to double digits. And by the third month I started playing badminton. I started activity. I used to do 15,000 steps a day, and I used to swim sometimes whenever it was possible. I used to do as much workout as possible at that time because that made me happy. मतलब I feel good after working out, and my energy levels were boosting at that time. Plus at the end of third month, when I lost 20 kgs, I used to meet people. They gave me some compliments, but they used to look at me कि you have lost 20 kgs of your weight, but you still have to do a lot. इतना लंबा कोई नहीं जा पाता. तुमने 20 किलो तो कम कर लिया, but इतनी बड़ी जर्नी कैसे करोगे? अभी भी बहुत बची है. And I was like कि I'm all in, and now I will show everyone कि हाँ भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ.
But basically you started third month के बाद badminton और swimming. What did you started मतलब?
So after my second month, I started badminton. I started playing badminton at that time. It was summers. So swimming, I started swimming with my friends and all. I just went one day कि यार let's try it. Swimming भी काम करेगी. And it worked for me. So I did swimming like 2 to 3 times a week, and badminton I used to play like 7 times every day for a week.
This was after 20 kgs done.
After 20 kgs. After 15 kgs.
ठीक है, तो मनन ने जब से अपना जर्नी चालू किया, वेट लॉस जर्नी, he didn't cheated for even a single time. How was that coming to you? What was the motivation behind no cheat?
Okay, so when I started my diet in your supervision with the help of you and your team, I used to first switch my diets every week, and you guys paid a lot of attention on that too. That I switched my diet. I changed my meal plans. Like one day, in 1 week, my breakfast will be heavy, and the other my lunch will be heavy. And I had this one thing. I get a lot of guilt after eating the healthy food. If I overeat my healthy food, then I get a guilt. So cheats was way far away from it. मतलब चीट तो बहुत दूर की बात है. मैं जब बहुत मेरा अच्छा जो खाना मुझे खाना है वही मैं ज़्यादा खा लेता हूँ तो मुझे गिल्ट हो जाता है. तो हाई कैन आई चीट.
तो आपने अपने सामने फूड देखा, ठीक है, जो आपके सामने आता था, देन ऑल्सो यू जस्ट इग्नोर दैट फूड. मतलब तब क्या अंदर चलता है?
I used to look at that food and there was this thought in my mind कि हो सकता है कोई भी एक चीट मुझे वो डाइट मेरी जो मेरा जो पूरा अभी जोन चल रहा है उससे बाहर कर दे. And I could not afford that at that time, or even now. I don't cheat right now even. मेरे को बस मेरा वो जो डाइट का खाना है, and to be honest मेरे को ज़रूरत भी नहीं है चीट करने की. The food I get is good enough for me.
It's tasty.
It's tasty.
And because of who cooks your food?
Because of my mother, because of my family.
So you have a lot of support from your mother.
Yes. From my mother and from my
She
sister-in-law.
cooks yummy food.
Amazing.
So what food actually worked for you in the whole journey? Things also.
Okay, so my favorite food, which actually works for me very good, is brown rice. मैं पूरी डाइट में बहुत brown rice खाया, and they work for me. मतलब उससे मेरा weight loss, मेरी calorie deficit सब maintain रहता था. And there were other things like fruit, soup, salads, and all these healthy things. They worked for me. Quinoa, and there were many other foods which I took under your supervision, and that worked for me. Plus with this I had to do my walking. Whenever I eat, I at least meet मैंने अगर कुछ lunch, dinner, breakfast कुछ भी करा है, I won't sit for at least 45 minutes after that. I will walk for 45 minutes plus the workouts. These are the all things which work for me.
So I wanted to ask you this thing. So आपका weight जब stuck हो गया था, तब what did you do?
मेरा weight जब stuck हुआ तब so I constantly change my diets. मैंने आपकी भी बहुत जान खाई है उसमें. तो मतलब मेरी शायद 3 बार बात होती होगी आपसे दिन में उस टाइम पे कि मैंने ये खाया क्या होगा, ये खाया क्या होगा, ये खाया क्या होगा. एंड मैं एक्सरसाइजेस में ही चेंज करता था. आई यूज्ड टू चेंज द स्पोर्ट्स एंड दैट वाज द मेन थिंग. प्लस आई अंडरस्टूड वन थिंग कि मेरी पूरी बॉडी वर्क कैसे कर रही है. फर्स्ट ऑफ थिंग, सो द व्हाट आई थिंक इज that hypothetically there are 2 brains in our body. One is here and one is here, and this one is very smart. मैं कुछ भी खाऊंगा, मैं कुछ भी करूंगा, this one will adapt it. मैं कम खाऊंगा तो ये कम में जीना सीख लेगा. So I needed to understand all those things and what would have worked, how I need to confuse this brain, this one, the main one for the weight loss, to keep my journey on going. I understood that and I worked on that. So that was the main thing.
So my last question is, how is life after losing 40 kgs in 6 months?
Okay, so if I honestly answer this personally, I'm not satisfied with this. I want to lose 10 more kgs at least. I want to build a good physique after this, and I'm working on it. But yes, there are many positive things which has happened. My energies are very boosted right now. My stamina is insane. I used to मैं सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने में थक जाता था पहले, and now I can literally do anything. My stamina is very insane. My confidence is boosted. Plus the people who used to comment on me before कि यार weight बहुत बढ़ गया है, you do this, you do, who used to give me advice, now take advice from me कि यार give me some tips, what can I do to lose weight. Plus my skin is glowing. मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा better हुई है. Plus I used to feel like now I know about my body, so मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए एकदम बहुत सारी बीमारियों के लिए एकदम edge पे था. मतलब at that weight it was sure that I would have gotten diabetes. मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसी बीमारियां हैं. There are many diseases which I have left behind. मैंने बीमारियों को पीछे छोड़ा. Plus there were, because of overweight, I used to have leg pains, back pain. Now all that is gone. I am full of energy and I am ready for the journey ahead.
This is Manan 2.0.
Yes.